Hello, my name's Tom. I'm from Pro Team Cleaning. We're an Ashford-based exterior cleaning company. Here are my top tips. If you're looking to have your patio or driveway cleaned this season, ensure that whoever does it uses a good quality biocide. What a biocide does is gets rid of those small black marks you might see over the patio that you can't usually remove from just pressure washing alone. Once you've had your patio or driveway cleaned, it's important to consider a weatherproof sealant. What a weatherproof sealant does is protects the surface from moisture, which then inhibits the growth of algae, black spot, mould and lichen. When choosing a patio or driveway sealer, it's important to choose an impregnating sealer. Impregnating means that it soaks into the stone rather than just forming a skin on the top. The difference being when it soaks into the stone is far more durable. When it's just a skin on the top, it's much more likely to flake off and fail quicker. I would definitely recommend using a TS Check member to avoid any rogue traders.